Hey there, AscendTMS gang. It's your favorite AscendTMS guru, Cam, coming at you live, well, recorded live, with an AscendTMS release highlight. We're going to cover the past few releases over the last 30 days or so, as we know you're too busy booking loads while chilling on a boat with AscendTMS to read those pesky release notes that come out. But enough of all that, let's go ahead and get right into these wonderful new features, enhancement, and fixes. First, and definitely the biggest new feature this release, is the integration with Motive driver dispatch and workflow. With that integration, we have also added some new functionality to the drivers page, like syncing your drivers in AscendTMS to Motive. Now, it's not a new feature or update, but we have also partnered with the American Truck Business Services, or ATBS. Next, we have updated the verbiage on the load source settings page to be a little bit more clear with company and personal settings. Axle factoring has been rebranded to Denim. We've also made several enhancements to the EDI process and how it's handling data, resolved an issue in the asset driver profile where the date could not be removed or deleted, corrected the stop appointment scheduling modal to ensure a date needs to be entered prior to saving, and squashed a few other pesky gremlins as well. A link of the full release notes will be in the description below if you want to read them, that is. Well, that pretty much sums it up for us here at AscendTMS. We are working diligently around the clock to get you the features you ask us for and make the changes you need to make your day smooth sailing. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel to get your release highlights monthly, as well as our other training, how-to, and announcements the day that they happen. If you have any questions or want to schedule some training with our amazing support team members to learn any of these new features or enhancements, feel free to email us at support@inmotionglobal.com.